Dental crowns, when a tooth needs strength and beauty. A dental crown is a custom restoration designed to protect a weakened or cracked tooth, improving its shape and smile harmony. They are ideal for structurally weak, heavily filled, or worn teeth and as part of a wider smile rehabilitation plan. Choose Zirconia for strength or Emax for superior translucency. The best material is selected specifically for your tooth and bite. Natural crowns are designed around your unique facial proportions, gum line, and bite for a seamless, natural look. Begin by uploading smile photos and x-rays. This helps Renova's dental team give expert initial guidance before you travel. Final suitability, material choice, and pricing are confirmed after your comprehensive clinical examination in Istanbul. At Renova Clinic, every crown is crafted in our own lab to match your specific smile goals, not a one-size-fits-all package. Thinking about dental crowns in Turkey? Send your smile photos to Renova Clinic today for a free assessment and clear guidance.